Every true Lagosian knows one universal truth. If you don't pay rent, landlord will find you, even in your dreams. But nobody expected landlord wahala to push Emeka, our lovable, hustling, soft life ambassador, to the edge of insanity. Emeka had been hiding in plain sight for 2 long years, squatting in his tiny Aja apartment, surviving on suya, data bundles, and an unholy alliance with Mama Rashida's pepper soup repairs. He avoided rent calls like a Lagos boss avoids absolute timetables, prioritized but never seems to show up. One fateful Monday morning, the dreaded rent notice slid under his door and slapped him better than a last man official on a wrong lane. 7 days to vacate or face consequences. 2 years of dodging landlord calls flashed before his eyes, from pretending he was sick to staging false technical issues with the door. But on day 7, the landlord came with brooms, machetes, and zero mercy. With his meager belongings shoved inside 2 bright blue Ghana must-go bags, Emeka became a refugee on foot. No money, no home, but still plenty of Lagos spirit. The key to survival: Airbnb hustle. He remembered Miss Chioma, the tall, quiet interior designer neighbor. She has traveled to Owerri for her cousin's wedding. Why not steal her apartment? I mean, Airbnb for 30,000 naira per night. Genius, right? Under cover of night, he slipped in, styled the place with Mama Rashida's pepper basket, and uploaded the listing as Island Vibe Studio, Art of Aja. His first guest was Mr. Tech Bro, a Zoom working consultant from Abuja, expecting peace and privacy. Emeka greeted him wearing only a towel and shades, introduced himself as Airbnb concierge. Mr. Tech Bro paid up front and went in, blissfully oblivious to the impending storm. Chioma's boyfriend, Sukomi, the gym instructor, decided to return unexpectedly. He barged in without knocking, flexed his way through the living room, and found Emeka holding house slippers. Muscles bulging, he screamed, "Now who be this, eh?" Chioma sounded like an action movie trailer in real life. Emeka froze. Inventor of excuses, but caught red-handed. Airbnb staff, Oga, he tried, but muscles prevailed. Furniture toppled. Emeka made the only logical decision: jump. In slow motion, Lagos slow motion, Emeka dove off the balcony. No parachute, no second thought, and landing sound powered like a thunderclap. The moment he tottered on Keke Napep, the driver hollered so loud he stopped traffic. "Oga, you wan kill me?" Lagos smartphones popped open. He was trending before he hit the ground. People whistled, laughed, recorded. Emeka limped away, dignified injury intact, with 23,000 naira in his pocket, the genuine residue of his Airbnb hustle. Not backwards, never. I can never turn back. It's already too late oh. I cannot go back. It won't make sense oh. Where am I going to? He sang. He hauled himself to his Nollywood wannabe's friend's tiny room in Surulere, trading his last 1,000 naira for mentorship in Robinson Crusoe on Instagram. He slept under the ceiling fan and dreamed of the next pivot. Shirtless masterclass: how to Airbnb other people's houses without jail. That night, Emeka posted a confident mirror selfie captioned, "No stress, just relocated to my new penthouse suite. Island things, hustle and chill." The truth, he was sitting on a suitcase in an uncompleted Surulere room. But in Lagos, perception is worth more than rent. And so Lagos Wahala rolls on. Emeka didn't find a home, but he found attention. He didn't get rent, but he got 10 new followers. He didn't lose landlord, but he lost dignity, like a badge of honor for Lagos hustle. Coming soon, episode 8, I Too Sabi, where Emeka decides to teach Nigerians something, and chaos naturally ensues. You think say Emeka go learn after EFCC chase am? Lie. This time na fake movie set cast am enter big wahala. After crashing a borrowed Okada during another Instagram influencer shoot, one local reporter cornered him for an interview. Instead, make our guy admit the nonsense. Guess wetin Emeka talk? He said it was a controlled stunt for a Nollywood film. In the main actor and director, it's given Netflix original. Now the clip don go viral. Producers dey look for am, but not for audition, na for defamation case. Can Emeka escape this one with his fake clout and cardboard Gucci shades? Or has the curtain finally closed on Lagos' most dramatic hustler? Find out in season 8. Thank you for watching. Bye.